good people still exist. So, I've been doing social media a long time. And work has slowed down a little bit where I'm at. And I had a little boat. It's a little skiff like this. This skiff's got holes in it. It just wasn't what we thought it was going to be. Alright, it's a lot of work to keep it up. Well, we was looking at stuff and on the internet marketplace, me and my wife, and we seen a boat, and my wife was like, you know, I really believe in what you're doing on social media. We had just got a social media check, and we had a little bit of cash. We had about a couple grand, and we were looking online. I seen a boat. She seen it. She thought it was a good boat. I thought it was a good boat. But we're just looking. You know what I'm saying? We had a boat. This woman told me she believed in me so much that she would go down there, sign off on this boat, get this other boat, and all I needed to do was to make a 1-minute video every day to help pay for it. It's not the boat. Just appreciative. Just appreciative. It's day one. Hope the internet does what it's supposed to do.